When you see them, my viewers, the police go seek and find the youth them within the viral video. But them a batch the people them data. GLO settings now. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. Plus the killer them go bust out so either Hanover in him shop and police find Mr. Smith and Mr. Weston and a spinners at Westmoreland. So before me jump into the reason and make you know what I go on, pre this. When you see them viewers, the 7 Waterford High School youth them were there in the viral video where I grape off the people them data. Police them go seek and find them, you know, and I lock them up 1-1, you know. And me no sorry for them, you know. A who for yard that them did, you know. A who for house that them did, you know. A which one of them brother house, or a which one of them sister house, or a could of them mother house them did, you know, do that. My people, the video is disturbing, you know. You hear that? All about the way I box up the people them data, you know, all when the little girl I say, yo, chill. Done no. Him no want stop. Him a war with the little girl and I go on with a bag of things. So see it ya. Most of them little pitney a boy, you know. Them bad like yards pan pigeon nose, you know. Them not take talk, you know. Can't tell them nothing, you know. Them not act them age, you know. Kill them dead. Them a big man and big woman, you know. So see it ya now. Mothers and father, una go feel it out there for no pitney. And have to go fuck up money right now for no pitney. Uno send no pitney go school. And you see where them a do? Uno see where them a do? I get themselves in a trouble. That them a do. Them not learn. Them not take in. Them not live by example. And try to be a better person in the community or in them school. So as I say my people, me no sorry for them 7 little boy ya. Where them do are some wasting me I tell you no. And I lucky them for lucky say the lag off of them first. Cause can you imagine if I did the little girl father or our family member them? What would I go on? So my people, no walk with me now. We got Hanover, Middlesex district, where we say 60-year-old Errol Noble, a shopkeeper, aka Sour. Killer go for the money in him shop, me I tell you no. And go bust out the elder head. Fling a 9 ball in the elder forehead, me I tell you no. And my people, listen to that one here. The boy them never go figure rob the shop, you know. That one here look like a contract killing, you know. Like a send a man send them for the elder, you know. If you go bust out sour head, you know. So see it here, my people. What me always tell you no say, boy, yeah. All the elder them a lose them life. All the baby them a lose them life. Some people, boy, yeah, we fear sick and dead. The killer them a go for them and a speed up them death. 9 ball in a head, me I tell you no. So as I say, that one here look like a contract kill in a Hanover Middlesex district. Killer them go for sour and them never rob nothing. Them never take no manly, no shear and no rapid. Them just go do the mission and take with themselves. So no walk with me again. We got Westmoreland here now. We see double murder upon Morris Lane and Westmoreland. And after that, squaddy them go search the area and find Smith and Mr. Weston and a spinners. See it up on the screen. Now, man and woman in custody. Them have to go talk. And what them a do with this? Or who for own this? My viewers, no we no quiet boy again. No we no safe boy again. All in front the station. You will get a 9 ball in your face. You never know. The youth them not take no talk boy, you know. And the man them turn the place them in a battlefield, you know. Look pan Westmoreland. Look pan Manchester. Look pan Hanover. One time, them place here never go on with so much things me I tell you no, but you see through the great migration and the killer them runway and go all up resident in other people place and turn the people them place in a battlefield, have the people them a live in a them house like a prisoner. Them thing ya go on me and tell you no my people. So as what me say, double murder did go on a Westmoreland where we see Kemar and Lucky drop on them face till see it ya. Squaddy them go search the place, find Smith and Mr. Weston and a spinners, man and woman gone in a lockup. So my people, You better stay safe out there. Protect on 3 points out there. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You hear that?